Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode on Sir Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of luxury sailing with the incredible Perini Navi sailing yacht. Known for blending cutting-edge innovation with timeless elegance, Perini Navi has been a name synonymous with the ultimate sailing experience for over 4 decades. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dreaming of the open sea, this yacht is bound to capture your imagination. So, hoist the sails, and let's explore what makes the Perini Navi a masterpiece of the ocean. Let's start with the key features that set the Perini Navi apart. These yachts are built with a focus on size and sophistication, ranging from 40 to 88 meters in length, making them some of the largest sailing vessels in the world. One standout feature is the revolutionary sail handling system, pioneered by founder Fabio Perini himself. This system allows a small crew, or even a single person, to manage the sails with the push of a button, thanks to computerized controls and hidden winches. Imagine gliding across the water without the clutter of traditional rigging. Pure luxury meets practicality. The hulls are crafted from high-quality aluminum or steel, often paired with aluminum superstructures, which keeps the yacht lightweight yet incredibly strong. Many models also feature a movable centerboard, letting you navigate shallow bays while maintaining stability, a game-changer for adventurous explorers. Moving on to the design, Perini Navi yachts are a feast for the eyes. The exterior lines are sleek and modern, yet they carry a classic nautical charm that harks back to the golden age of sailing. Collaborations with renowned naval architects like Ron Holland and Philippe Briand ensure each yacht is a bespoke creation. Take the iconic Maltese Falcon, with its 3 masts and revolutionary Dyna rig system, or the elegant S.Y. Perseus Cubed, boasting the tallest carbon fiber mast ever built. The deck spaces are expansive and uncluttered, with open layouts that invite you to soak in the sea breeze. The hull design often includes double rudders and optimized lines to minimize heeling, so you can enjoy a smooth ride even in choppy waters. It's a design philosophy that balances performance with the kind of comfort you'd expect from a floating mansion. Inside, the interior features of a Perini Navi yacht are where dreams meet reality. Every yacht is a custom or semi-custom build, meaning the interior reflects the owner's personal style, crafted with top designers like Nuvolari Leonard or Ken Frivik Studio. Picture walking into a main saloon with floor-to-ceiling glass panes that flood the space with natural light, creating a seamless connection to the ocean outside. The master suite, often located aft below decks, offers sprawling layouts with large windows for panoramic views, while guest cabins, typically accommodating 8 to 12 people, blend luxury with functionality. Details like blue leather handrails or Art Deco styling add a unique touch. Some models, like the 47-meter sloop, even offer optional layouts with a 5th cabin that can double as an office or gym. Whether it's a jacuzzi on the flybridge or a beach club with lowering terraces, these interiors are designed for relaxation and entertainment at sea. Now, let's talk performance aspects, because the Perini Navi isn't just about looking good, it's built to perform. These yachts are engineered for blue water cruising, meaning they're ready to take on long journeys across the globe. The sail area is massive, up to 13,723 square feet on some models, powered by carbon masts and booms that maximize efficiency. The S.Y. Perseus Cubed, for instance, boasts the biggest downwind sail area thanks to its unique bowsprit, letting it harness the wind like a champ. Under power, a single diesel engine, like the 715 HP Caterpillar on the 47-meter sloop, provides a range of up to 3,500 nautical miles at 10 knots, enough for a transatlantic adventure. The deep, ballasted centerboard and stabilizers ensure stability, while the lightweight aluminum hulls improve speed and fuel efficiency. It's a yacht that combines exhilarating sailing with the reliability you need for serious voyages. What really sets the Perini Navi apart are its unique selling points, making it a standout in the luxury yachting world. First off, the innovative sail technology is a game-changer. The automated furling and unfurling system, inspired by Perini's paper rolling machinery, reduces the crew needed and enhances safety, a feature that's become the yard's trademark. Then there's the focus on sustainability. Models like the 48-meter yacht can be fitted with solar panels, and the Art Explorer catamaran generates up to 200 kilowatts from its solar array. The collaboration with world-class designers ensures each yacht is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, from the Falcon rig on the 77-meter model to the eco-focused Explorer yachts under the Picchiotti brand. Add in awards like Motor Yacht of the Year for Exumeral Best Sailing Yacht Interior for Celine, and you've got a brand with a proven track record. Perini Navi yachts are built for those who want to sail the world in style, comfort, and with a touch of Italian flair. For those wondering about the experience, chartering a Perini Navi yacht offers a taste of this luxury. With models like the Maltese Falcon or Seahawk available, you can explore stunning destinations with state-of-the-art amenities and a crew dedicated to your comfort. The shipyard's history, saved from bankruptcy by the Italian Sea Group in 2021, shows its resilience and commitment to pushing boundaries. Whether it's the 56-meter Ketch's revamped hull lines or the 77-meter Spa Beach Club, these yachts cater to adventure and relaxation alike. Owning one, though, is a different league. Prices can soar into the tens of millions, with used models starting around $1.6 million and new builds reaching $46 million, depending on customization. If you're inspired to learn more, Perini Navi continues to innovate with projects like the 47-meter sloop set for delivery in 2026 or the 56-meter Ketch due in July 2025. The shipyard's facilities in Viareggio and Istanbul ensure top-notch construction, while their service and refit options keep these yachts in pristine condition. For sailors and dreamers alike, the Perini Navi represents the pinnacle of what a sailing yacht can be, a blend of technology, design, and ocean-going prowess. So, what do you think of the Perini Navi? Are you ready to set sail on one of these beauties, or do you have questions about what makes them tick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to join the Sir Boats Yacht family for more yacht adventures. We've got more exciting reviews and tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, fair winds and following seas from all of us at Sir Boats Yacht.